Everyone talks about glowing up, but most people think it's just about skincare or hitting the gym. The truth? A real glow up is both mental and physical, and it doesn't take years. If you focus on the right things, you can transform in just 30 days. Let's break it down step by step. The physical glow up. Build an attractive presence. Your body and appearance are the first things people notice. But this isn't about unrealistic beauty standards. It's about becoming the best version of yourself. Fix your posture. Stand tall, shoulders back. It makes you look more confident instantly. Improve your skin. Drink more water. Use a basic skincare routine. Cleanser, moisturizer, sunscreen. No need for 10 steps. Work out daily. You don't need a gym. Just 30 minutes of bodyweight exercises or walking can change your energy and body shape. Upgrade your style. Wear well-fitted clothes, groom yourself, and develop a personal style that makes you feel powerful. Your appearance affects how you feel about yourself. Take care of it. The mental glow-up. Become unstoppable. A real glow-up starts inside your mind. If your thoughts are weak, no amount of physical change will matter. Control your inputs. Stop consuming negativity, toxic social media, news, gossip. Instead, read books, listen to podcasts, and feed your brain with growth-oriented content. Develop a routine. Wake up and sleep at the same time daily. Your energy, focus, and skin will improve automatically. Practice self-discipline. Do things even when you don't feel like it. Discipline makes you unstoppable. Fix your self-talk. Stop saying, "I can't" or "I'm not good enough." Change it to, "I am improving, and I can handle this." When your mind is strong, your confidence shows on the outside. The 30-day glow-up plan summed up. Work out and walk daily. Follow a basic skincare and hygiene routine. Eat clean, high-protein foods for better energy. Reduce negative content and consume growth-focused media. Wake up and sleep at the same time daily. Speak to yourself with confidence and belief. Your glow-up is not about impressing others. It's about becoming the best version of yourself. Start today, and in 30 days you won't even recognize yourself.